Welcome to episode 3 of this Loft to Office transformation. We're going to be working on this blank wall to create a gallery wall with some artwork, and we're going to wrap the mats of some ready-to-go frames with fabric to create an elevated look. I've been eyeing these frames at Walmart. They're Mainstays brand. The picture frame is 14 by 18 inches, and the print inside the mat would be an 11 by 14. And these were $14.92 each, which is a good price for such a big picture. I also grabbed up these two 5x7 desk frames to coordinate to our new gallery wall. And I'm going to give this Gorilla Spray adhesive a try for this project. I'm back home and I'm going to lay out the supplies that I need, which is the matted frame, some fabric, spray adhesive, and scissors. So I'm just going to undo the frame and take out the mat. This is such an easy project, and it really has a really nice final result. I picked up this fabric at Hobby Lobby the other day. It was a second choice, actually. I was trying to find something for the light fixture that I want to do in this office space, and they didn't have what I was looking for, but I did like this stripe. So I picked this up, and I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, but it was perfect for these fabric wrapped mats because it's kind of a nice small stripe, so it fits nicely. It's a nice scale for this mat. So I've used a spray adhesive on one side of the mat, and then I also gave a little spray to the fabric. They recommend on the back of the can applying it to both surfaces and then just kind of allowing it to get tacky for about a minute, and then making contact with the two surfaces. So that's what I did the first time. And then I'm just trimming off the excess fabric. To get started, I just punch a little hole in the middle and then create an X pattern towards the corners of the interior of the mat. And then you just fold back the sides and leave some margin for yourself, half an inch or so to fold over the back. And then I'm just going to go back and use some more spray adhesive around the mat and then just fold it down. On the corners, you'll want to just cut a little square out so that you don't have like excess bulk when you fold them down. And I will say that this Gorilla Spray adhesive was perfect. And you can see I'm going back and spraying on top of the fabric corners after I've already laid them down for that next layer to fold over it. And that's it. Super easy, looks so clean, and really elevates the look here. Each one of these frames maybe took max of 10 minutes to put together. So very easy, very quick project. And I think that looks really pretty. On to the second one. And I decided just to kind of double up my fabric here. And I kind of just cut two pieces at once. So that was easy. For my size mat, I used about 2/3 of a yard of fabric, and that was for a 14 by 18 size frame. So you'll just need to measure your own mat and allow about an inch of overhang in all directions from the outside of your mat to figure out how much yardage you need. And the second one is done. Last one. I think as I got going, I kind of stopped applying it to both surfaces and just applied it to the mat and then flipped it over onto the fabric, and that worked totally fine. It's a good idea to put something underneath your area that you're going to be using your spray adhesive to prevent overspray. The trickiest part of this project was getting the spray adhesive off my fingers afterwards. And that's the third one. Now let's go upstairs to the office and hang these on my new gallery wall. I am really happy with how these fabric wrapped mats are elevating these frames in this entire office space. There's still work to be done and pictures to fill, of course, but this is a great start. This was a fun, quick, easy, and pretty inexpensive project, and I think it has a lot of bang for the buck. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you feel inspired to create something today. I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching.